Hello student, we are discussing about the transition and inner transition element and continuing this in part 8 we are describing the electronic configuration of lanthanides. Lanthanide starts with 57 atomic number. The first member, lanthanum, is having expected electronic configuration Xe4f0 5d1 6s2. Same is the observed electronic configuration. Here the expected and observed electronic configuration is same for lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium. And it is as follows: cerium 4f2 6s2, 4f3 6s2 for praseodymium. For neodymium it is 4f4 6s2, for promethium it is 4f5 6s2, for samarium it is 4f6 6s2, for europium it is 4f7 6s2. Now for gadolinium the expected electronic configuration is 4f8 6s2, but instead the observed electronic configuration is 4f0 5d1 6s2. Terbium is having electronic configuration expected and observed same 4f9 6s2. Dysprasium 4f10 6s2, both expected and observed same. Holmium 4f11 6s2. Erbium 4f12 6s2, thulium 4f13 6s2, ytterbium 4f14 6s2. Lutetium observed and expected electronic configuration is also same 4f14 5d1 6s2. Only the gadolinium is having the different expected and observed electronic configuration. Atomic and ionic radii of lanthanide, that is also called as a lanthanide contraction. As we move along the lanthanide series, there is a decrease in the ionic radii. As we move along period, we can see the atomic radii and ionic radii goes on decreasing in case of lanthanide. This is called as lanthanide contraction. This steady decrease in atomic and ionic radii is called lanthanide contraction. As we move from one element to another, the nuclear charge increases by 1 unit and 1 electron is added. The new electron are added to the same inner 4f subshell. Thus the 4f electrons shield each other from the nuclear charge poorly owing to their diffused nature. With increase in the atomic number and the nuclear charge, the effective nuclear charge experienced by each of the 4f electron increases. As a result, the whole of the 4f electron shell contract at each successive element. So steady decrease of the ionic radii and atomic radii is shown in the figure 8.6. And here is the table which shows the atomic radii. For lanthanum it is 187 pm, and for cerium 183, praseodymium 182, neodymium 181, promethium it is 181, samarium it is 180, europium it is 199, gadolinium 178, terbium 177, dysprasium 176, holmium 175, erbium 174 and thulium 173. So gradual decrease is observed and this is called as a lanthanide contraction. As we see the ionization enthalpies of the lanthanide EI1, EI2, EI3, that is the first, second and third ionization enthalpy of the lanthanide in kilojoule per mole. That is observed that for each cases the second ionization enthalpy is much greater than the first ionization enthalpy, and third ionization enthalpy is greater than second ionization enthalpy. Oxidation states of lanthanides. In lanthanides, +3 is a common oxidation state in which 2 electrons are removed from 6s subshell and 1 electron is removed from 5d or 4f subshell. The 4f electrons are strongly screened by inner electrons of 5s and 5p electron. Thus, 4f electrons are not involved in the bonding. Some lanthanide shows +2 and +4 oxidation state. They are formed in case of the element which shows the 4f0 and 4f7 and 4f14 outer electronic configuration. For example, in case of cerium which shows the +4 oxidation state, the outer electronic configuration in F shell, that is 4f, is 0. Europium and terbium shows +2 +4 oxidation state which shows the 4f7 electrons. Ytterbium shows +2 oxidation state in which we see 4f14 outer electronic configuration. Now let us discuss the color and the spectra of the lanthanide element. Some trivalent anion, that is M+3 ions, are colored in solid state as well as in solution. The color of the lanthanide ion is due to FF transition, which corresponds to energy in the visible region of electromagnetic spectrum. The color of the ion having NF electron is about to the same as those having 14 minus NF electron, where n is an integer which having range 1 to 13. For example, Ln ion, if we consider Pr +3, then number of F electron is 4f2. The color of the ion is green. Thulium having +3 oxidation state, number of 4f electron is 12. It also shows the color green. So see here, Pr +3, 14 minus NF electron, it is 12, and for thulium +3, NF electron is equal to 12. So 14 minus N electron and NF electron is the same, that is 12. So both the ions will show green color. Now Nd +3 and erbium +3 will having the number of F electron 4f3 and 4f11. Both of them are having F electron 14 minus NF electron 11 and NF electron 11. So both these ion Nd +3, Er +3 will show the pink color. Now effective magnetic moment of lanthanide in +3 oxidation state. The magnetic moment depend upon the number of unpaired electron. Lanthanum in +3 oxidation state shows number of unpaired electron 0, so observed magnetic moment is 0. Cerium for number of unpaired electron 1, because it shows the +3 oxidations. After +3 oxidation state, it is having 1 electron in 4f. So for cerium 4f1, number of unpaired electron 1, so observed magnetic moment is 2.3 to 2.5. Pr +3 shows outer electronic configuration 4f2, so number of unpaired electron 2, so observed magnetic moment is 3.4 to 3.6. Nd +3, 4f3, 3 electrons, 3.5 to 3.6. Promethium shows 4f14, number of unpaired electron 4, so it shows the observed magnetic moment here. Samarium +3 shows number of unpaired electron 5, 1.4 to 1.7. Eu +3, 6 unpaired electron, so it will show magnetic moment 3.3 to 3.5. Gadolinium 4f7, so 7 unpaired electron. It shows the magnetic moment 7.9 to 8. Terbium +3 shows the number of unpaired electrons 6. So that will be 9.5 to 9.8 magnetic moment. Dysprasium plus 3, 5 unpaired electron, 10.4 to 10.6. Holmium will shows the outer electronic configuration 4f10. It will have number of electron 4, so shows the magnetic moment 10.4 to 10.7. Erbium plus 3, 11 electrons in 4f, 3 number of unpaired electron 3, so observed magnetic moment is 9.4 to 9.6. Tm plus 3, 4f12, 2 electron unpaired 7.1 to 7.6. Ytterbium plus 3, 4f13, 1 electron unpaired, so observed magnetic moment is 4.3 to 4.9. Lutetium plus 3 will show 4f14, outer electronic configuration, number of unpaired electron 0, so observed magnetic moment is 0.